To start creating on Curios, you're going to want to log into studio.curios.com. From there, you can fill out your profile, but to start uploading content to distribute, simply click on Create New Project. For most content, uploading takes less than 5 minutes. Drag your files, upload a cover image, write a title and description, upload your preview content, set a price or free, click Publish, and boom, your link is live worldwide. Anything published on the studio then shows up on your dedicated sales pages on the Curios marketplace. You can grab the link to your content, promote it across your newsletters, socials, or any way you can get in front of your fans. Every buyer's email drops straight into your dashboard, so you're not chasing algorithms, you're building a customer base that you actually own. Ready to get started? Fill out your profile, create your first project, grab that link, and then share it in today's post or newsletter. Let's change the way that digital can work for you.